Shut up! Come on, shut up! Shut up! I don't want your morning. Papa, me say in the morning, uncle. You people are making noise. You go to the staff room, some part of the staff room, your noise, she has removed the roof. The roof now, everywhere she's sunny from your noise. You make noise, as if you are on market. What kind of children is this? I gave you, shut up, I talk to you, you talk. Come on, shut up. I gave you assignment, come on, you cannot scroll up to 5. All of you here, you score 0, you score 2, you score 3. Over 20. And when it comes to noise, the people you make noise. Today, if I finish plaguing you, well, if there's no teacher on your class, you shall never open your mouth to talk. You shall be reading. Chinyere, monitor, come. Give me the names of noisemakers. Give me, I told you to write it.
Auntie, say it here.
Give me. You people will be making noise as if you are on the market. So these are the names of the people that make noise.
Yes, Auntie.
All these people here is they make noise.
Yes, Auntie.
If you hear your name, once I call your name, you hear it, you march out. You come outside. I went out. I'm going to punish your punishment today. Every time you shall be making noise, as if you don't know there's a reason why your parents should stop and she brought you to school. Ipechidilo unku. Ipechidilo unku.
Who be that one?
Ke monitor. Who is Ipechidilo unku?
Auntie, is it Ifechikudelu Nwankwo?
Who is the person?
That is him there sitting down.
So you shall not hear your name since I call?
Auntie, that's not my name.
Come on, come outside.
My name is Ifechikudelu Nwankwo.
As if you do not make... You are very stupid. Come out.
Auntie, I just want to talk, I talk.
Ijuma Igwi.
No be you, Auntie, they call.
Ijuma Igwi.
Auntie, I'm here.
Why I see times 2? Chinyere, what is mine of times 2?
Auntie, she made noise 2 times. She made noise the first one. I warned her. Stop making noise. She now tell me, my mother.
Your mother?
Yes, 2 times.
It's okay. Okay, Ijoma, why you call her mother?
That's very
Auntie, I did not. I just said your mother. I did not say her mother.
This classy people are fond of calling people's mother. People's mothers, they're at home cooking or doing business. Come on, you call them on your class. I will teach you a lesson. Go out. Go out.
I like her mother. That's why.
Shut up. What's name she's? Chikwado. Chikwado Romono.
Chihuahua, Chihuahua.
Who said that? Who said that now?
Auntie, Emeka.
Okay, Emeka, come out. Come out.
Auntie,
You've not learned your lessons, go? Come out now.
I thought you want to say Chihuahua.
Chikwado Imika. Chikwado Imika.
Auntie, it's me.
You come out, you do best like you do not make noise on this class. Come out.
I did not make noise.
Shut off, man! Shut up! You people should respect my legacy as a teacher. Respect is the crown that I wear on my head. Respect me as a teacher, man. Ajinkunyi Okurapo.
Auntie, let me see the name. There's no Komoye in this class, so let me see.
Signore Ajinkunyi Okurapo.
Okay, Ejim Konya Okarapo.
Yes.
Auntie, look at him here.
Come out.
Okay, Auntie.
Onyika Chuku Izi Ukiki. Onyika Chuku Izi Ukiki. Who is Onyika Chuku Izi Ukiki? I said Onyika Chuku Izi Ukiki. Chinyere.
Auntie, there's no Ezekwe in this class. There's no Ezekwe. Okay, Onyekachi Ezokeke.
Yes, you wrote it. Where she's he?
He's not in this class, Auntie. He's in the other class, Auntie. Not in our class.
So why you wrote his name here?
Auntie, I know his voice. From this class, he was making noise from his own class. I know his voice. And if you say, people in this class was even making noise with him from this class to his class. So they were making noise together from this class.
You meant that you people, you do collaborate with noise? You want to picture somebody from another class, you picture with the noise on this class? Eh? Is that what you told me, that everybody should make noise with the person that she's on another class?
Yes.
Kneel down, everybody. Go up, kneel down. Today I shall show you. Kneel down. I said you should kneel down where you are looking at me. Kneel down. I'm coming. Let me go and call the police. Thank you for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to always share the video whenever you watch it. She make Aisha feel that guy. To these people, they like the video, they like it very much. And Kuma, I brought it to you that I am open for any advert, any sort of advert. You want to promotion your goods, you want to promotion your services, you want to advertise, you want to the whole world, the whole people of India, Thailand, China, Nigeria, Gambia, everybody want them to watch and to see the product that you sell. I can do that. You come to me, there is always a discount. You call my management's number, the number on the videos, she's management, you should call her and you will take away the labari. And come up with shout out. I do shout out. You want to shout out to your loved ones, you want to tell them your son and your heart is beating for them. I do shout out, birthday shout out, beard shout out, death shout out, any shout out, I do it. And if you want to watch more of our video, go to Yambaba Canadian on YouTube. You shall be seeing all of Aisha's video and Ozegu Bobo. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for always showing me love. I also love you so much. Bye bye.